Hello all. Uh, this is a video to help people to cope up with the lower back pain. Okay, so not really to cope up, to actually cure the lower back pain. Okay, so I'll tell you, I have this technique I have learned from orthopedic doctor. Okay, there is no medicines needed. All that is needed is only a strengthening of our lower back. Okay, and for that the two exercises were uh, suggested. Okay, and I will tell you the first exercise now. The first, what we need to do is, you can see this much. Okay, maybe this is around 8 inches, or I don't know what this is the size. Okay, so this much size, I have put 3 bed sheets actually. Okay, so you create a cushion like this. Okay, and it should not be too soft, because I'm having bed sheet, it is reasonably hard also. Okay, now I put my lower back here, and then I place my knee. My knees are bent, but not actually bent like this, lightly this. Just a slight bend here. Now I rest my lower back. I actually, if you can place your weight of your body, on your lower back. Now I'll put my hand over my head, below my head, and then just be like this for say a count of 20, or you can normal breathing for about 5 or 6 breaths. Okay, and just you can feel that your weight is transferred to your lower back. Okay, and what you need to do is just to breathe normally, and after, like I said, at the count of 20 or 15, 5-6 breaths, to take it out. Okay, now you rest for about say 15 seconds or 10 seconds, and after resting for some time, 10-15 seconds, go back. Repeat this one again. Okay, now again I put my lower back here. Okay, so you can see where I have put. Okay, so my waist kind of is in the middle. Okay, now again I breathe normally. Okay, now the duration is a little flexible. The doctor advised me to do this for about 10 times. Okay, so you could I normally do it for about at least 7 times. Okay, so what this does is it strengthens the lower back. What we do is we sit on our chairs, and what happens is, because we don't exert our lower back, the muscles actually start kind of dissolving. Only the bone structure is there, but muscle is very important, and muscle is what actually holds up the the bones, right, the vertebral column. So what we do here is, the muscle will start developing, number one, and because we are applying the weight here, it will also get stronger. Now the lower back, actually I learned this one about 10 years ago, and I have not, my back problem at least hasn't deteriorated. Actually it has become, because my practice was also not very consistent, but I have not gone to a stage of bigger and bigger chronic problems with my back, at least. Okay, this is first to strengthen. Next one is to, actually, a lot of us would have actually faced this problem where there is a disc compression also, right? That is where everything kind of starts, because we are not used to actually lifting weights and all that, and we are just sitting at our computer and working, and now what happens is, suddenly someday you just lift a weight. Actually our back is not ready for that. What happens is that disc compression also happens. Then we go to physiotherapy and all that. Now even physiotherapy is nothing is needed. I have not taken any physiotherapy in the last 10 years. Okay, for that, for the compression, right? This is the second exercise now. What you do is you just lie. Okay, there is a normal yogasana only. It is, you might already know. Just hold your knees and breathe normally. That is very important. Just raise your head, no? Just a little bit, as much as it is comfortable for you. Breathe normally, and you can do this again for say count of 20 seconds, 20 or few breaths. Okay, that is whatever is comfortable to you. But don't make it too long or too short. And you have to repeat this one again 10 times. That was the prescription. And you can do it maybe 7 times, 8 times as you please. And just these two exercises. Remember, both of these exercises, you breathe normally and relax and breathe normally. It achieves both the purposes. You strengthen it. Now this one kind of if you actually do it, you know that it stretches. Okay, the compression actually goes away. Okay, and you also get, because you are breathing normally, you get a kind of the effect of doing some yoga also. Okay, that is all. I hope this is beneficial for you, and please forward this video to your friends and whatever family, so that everyone gets benefited from this. Thank you.